This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning and good evening based on your locality. So myself, Nagarjuna Vadlakonda. I have a total 10 years of IT experience. I am a working guy. I am specially working on the automation for cloud environments with Azure and AWS. So previously, we have a weekdays batches there. Due to so many requests, based on the requests, I am planning to start weekend batch. This is completely for the weekend batch. So we have a sessions on Saturday and Sunday only. Same timing. Every Saturday and Sunday we have a 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. IST. After every live session, you will get the recordings also as usual. And before this one, I will explain to you something about this course. Who are eligible to learn this one? Yes. Who are eligible to learn to this technology? So now it is a one of the already is there, but very used word to learn. Now it's important for automation purpose. Sir, who are eligible? Who are eligible to learn this technology? And what are the required things? What are the prerequisites? These two questions may be in your mind before entering into the demo content. So those who are completely new to this technology, new to this technology. I mean, previously you may work on different environment or non-IT. Those who are completely new to this technology. And please remember, big important point, no coding knowledge, sir. Python is very simple, first of all. General English language. No coding knowledge. No coding knowledge. Nothing here required. Just it is a interpreter only. Interpreter concept. Line by line only we have to design it. So who are eligible? Yes, you are already working on the cloud environment or Azure or AWS or DevOps. You are looking for the automation of your required things. Yes, you are planning to learn data science in coming days, data science, artificial intelligence, yes, artificial intelligence, whatever the upcoming days, your Django, whatever you are planning, yes, this is a one very helpful to you. End to end concepts you are going to get, and you are completely fresher. Really, you will enjoy 100%, sir. 100% if you are completely fresher to you don't know even single element. Like you can consider Python like a snake only here. Like why? Because here I am going to start the technology from the scratch. Scratch in the sense like in a school days when we enter into the school days, children normally like how they learn ABC. Like that here the technology will work, sir. Like the technology in work. And you are from the networking people. You are a networking people, yes. Specially designed your circuit and Paramico modules for you. Oh, you know the what is the specialty for this technology in this training here? Here, exclusively, apart from the basics and advanced concept, 25 modules are added, sir. 25 modules are added end-to-end explanation. End-to-end explanation. 25 modules are added. So generally, in outside market, how they will call this one? If you are trying to learn, generally they will call Python core, Python advanced, Python scripting. These all are wrong, sir. There is no core and no advanced. There is no core, no advanced. Just it's a marketing purpose. They will use that word. Only pure Python. We are going to discuss complete concepts Yes, if you learn one time, this will be helpful to you in your IT career. Your IT career. So almost we have a 14 pages content is available. Nothing is required here, sir. These are the people are eligible. Whatever your technology, even if you are trying to see, you are from any Windows background, like you are from a VMware or SQL or any cloud, any on-prem environment, you are looking for automation. Yes, you can happily you can join here. Any DBS, especially any DBS. You are from cloud environment, on-prem environment, you are looking for this one. Yes, especially cloud people. Why? Because here, yes, we will see Git automation, Jenkins, but especially AWS environment, there is a one Python module is there, Auto 3. That one we are going to see end to end. Almost we will work on this module 1 week. So, what are the prerequisites, sir? What are the prerequisites? See, I am not insisting you to join inside of this course, sir. The genuine word only I am saying to you. The thing is, yes, no programming knowledge is required. Yeah, first part, no programming knowledge. Having the idea of the Windows OS, having the idea on the Windows OS, having the idea on the Linux. But Linux is option, not required. Why? Because EPX Python is platform independent. Write one time, you can execute on any environment. It will execute. It will execute. So same thing will works on Windows, same thing works on Mac OS, same thing works on the Linux environment. Same thing will works on the Linux environment. So that is a beauty. Here, see, I'm not saying day one. I'm not like I'm not decorating these courses. Same flow we have. This is a simple book. You can take any running batch. Usually, in my mission, running batch videos are available. Always, yes. This is every time I have one folder I will maintain PY. It's a running batch. So please observe. This is a weekdays batch. Again, weekdays batch is available in April second week only. April second week only. Now, whatever now I'm going to take the demo for, that is a weekend, sir. This is a weekend batch only. So March to May, this is the duration. May last week. But here I'm showing to you. Usually it will take the weekdays only. Due to the, I mean, now so many people moving to offices. Further, planning to start the weekend batch, 3 hours. So you can take any one of them morning. So this is a running batch. You can consider how we started that one, started from the introduction to now almost like enter to the functions concept. So here you can we will see as of now how many concepts basics are not completed even. OS module is covered, string module is covered, platform module is covered, time module. 4 modules are over out of 25. Still 21 modules are pending. And these are the generally outside market, whatever the remaining, these we will call in the market IT trainings, core Python and advanced Python. Core Python and advanced Python. You can take any one of them. They definitely automation concepts are there. For example, I'm taking any one of them. See, for example, I'm trying to play this video. Just observe this one. I will show you how to do in, I will explain some demos, but you will get some clarity with real time.
This conference will now be recorded.
Is it iterable object? See, this session is 23rd, session number 29. Three, A to Z, everything we are getting from one of the method. Numbers,
Some printable.
no, printable adding something, no. Only one, only one. 0 plus 1, 1. Second iteration time. See, this is a way we will, it's an interactive training. Not like one-way direction, it is completely interaction training. Even how started the first basic sessions. After every live session, you will get the recording, sir. You don't worry about that one. See, here we are going to see the explanation with the proofs, sir. With the proofs. Oh, Rahi, I'm not audible to you. Please confirm it, any one of you. One of our friend is saying that one, he's unable to
Yes,
get
you are
audio.
Yes,
audible.
you are audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Yes.
Or
Rahi, please log out and log in. I think you are able to see this message. Please log out and log in. Yes, sir. So, sir, how we are going to learn this one? Completely from the scratch. That is my assurance to you, sir. Whatever your technology, automation, whatever that one, your technology. For example, see, you are not believing this one. See, for example, I have a Git account here, sir. Generally, how I am going to do automation? Just try to see how I am going to execute. Generally, how to do the automation, how to log into, for example, on desktop, I have a one script is there, Git automation, something, okay, Python, something is there, Git automation. Just close observe on the screen what is going on. See, I'm not, I just leave that mouse and everything. Just close observe. Yes, see, so there is no magic here. Just a matter of 7 lines code it is. 7 lines code it is. Just 7 lines of code. See, automatically it is executing and it is giving to you, connecting to your account. Just it's a matter of one small module, Selenium. So how we are going to start this journey? Yes, I said we are completely from the scratch now. First, Python concept. Already someone is written the code, sir. Someone is written the developed some programs for your requirement. Already someone, I mean Python people developed all the things, sir. Just you have to use it. Generally, we will call methods functions. Methods means something you need to understand. Classes. So what are the things first for automation purpose? What are the things we have to learn end to end? Yes. First, your automation is secondary, sir. What we have to learn detailing. First of all, built-in functions, sir. Built-in functions. Built-in functions. That are 7 are there. Like ID, type, help, length, and get size of and dir. These functions, if you learn detailing, first level. And very biggest one, it will change your IT career in the Python data types. 14 data types we have to learn. Second one, end to end, sir. End to end. Like if you take the 14 data types, see, even you will get some idea how we are going to learn into float, and then after complex, like next iterable objects, you can take it list, tuple, dict set, frozen set, byte to bytes array, none, like these are the data types we have, sir. If you learn detail about these 14 data types, yes, we can say we are very, very good at these components. These will decide to you. I mean, 14 data types are there, and there are 13 built-in functions are there. 13 built-in functions are there. Functions means already someone written the code. You don't worry about the code here. That's why coding is not required. Coding is not required. If you write any script, maximum it will reach to 40 lines. It's a maximum limit, sir. More than that one, why? Because in general, in another programming languages, if you take, for example, Java, for example, one activity you are doing to creation of a directory, Generally, it will take 20 to 25 lines. But in Python, that is a one line only, no? The Python, that is a one line only. Even see, I'm going to open how to install the softwares and how to work it. That is secondary, sir. You don't worry about that. This is a Python ideally. There is a one module is there. Sir, everything here we have a proof. What is inside of the module? what is inside of the module. See how I'm going to, where I am presently, where I am, what is the working directory, where I am now. See, this is I am inside of this folder. I want to go to the one more directory. For example, I am moving to one more directory. I am in the directory. Just close lecture. So if I want to create a directory, see, I am going to create one directory. Happy. That's it. See, over. mkdir. What is that? It's still giving. Okay, fine. If you go to the directory, see, start file. I'm going to open the directory. Everything from the command line only, sir. Now see, I'm happily opening the folder. Yes, now Naga 100. Just now we created. See, 3rd March 5th, 2023, 11:59. Not only this one. See, here we have a whatever I am using start type or whatever that one like that. Here we have a total. See, 156 components are there. This plan, course plan is not like others, like whatever, not like usual YouTube related one, not like a usual training, not like any website. Something special we are going to learn here. Something special you are going to learn here. That is my assurance, first point. So what is the first benefit from here? You are going to see exclusively 25 modules detailed. And this is a one weekend related information. And after every live session you will get the recordings. So first basics, what is a python, why we should learn this one, what are the available versions. If you closely observe here, what is the present version, and here by default, yes, if you go to the linux mission also by default we will get the versions. So this is a 3.11 by default. When we install, this is the latest version we have. How to install it, that installation on Windows and Linux. Even here I have some Linux machines also there. Same component, same thing here and there it will work. So in this training we are going to learn on two platforms, and Windows and Linux. One second, I will connect it to Linux also. Just give me 1 second. So this is my one of the Linux machine. See, if I ask what is a Python version, see, no need to do anything. Some version is available, maybe 3.7 after or not, you have to check it. Yes, default. What is operating system? I think it is Ubuntu, I think so. Name, yes, it is a Linux environment. Uname -A is one of the Red Hat Linux machine. See how simple it is. How simple it is. Even if you go to the Python, yes, everything like your OS module only, whatever we are using. This is a famous module generally. But how to work with this one? Sir, if you want to learn any technology detailedly, few components are important. Generally in the market, we will call these are the core Python, advanced Python. The first one is a data types. Second one is a control statements. Like else if. Next one is a loops, for loop and while loop. Important one, sir. Important one. Next one is a functions, classes, exception handling, exception handling, and the next one is a files concepts. So that's all. This is a generally Python programming or anything. If you learn Python, these are the required things. In any, if you take any institute, these are the, they will display, print this information in 20 pages, 30 pages. Just if they will take function, in the functions again we have a 6 types are there. We can print subcomponents of the function even 10 pages also. But generally, these are the things. When you good at these technology, these components, not only automations are. If you good at these components from these, if you good at these components, you can find out. You can learn the automation with Python. Automation with Python. If you good at this one, you can learn the data science. If you're good at this one, you can learn the artificial intelligence. You can learn the Django. You can learn the, yes, what is a Flask, anything. But without these left, right side seven components, other things are useless. So in our course, that seven are mandatory. Without, if I am saying to you from the scratch, without starting that seven, how can you do the first option? Automation with Python. Automation with Python. Highly impossible. Yes. Now here everything in the form of automation only, sir. For example, here I will write a small script. For example, I am taking even I want to find out what are the directories are available in my machine. Directories are available in my machine. See, no need to do big work here, sir. For example, one drive, you need to find out one drive information detail. See how I am doing this one. There is a one module is there. There is a one module is there. See, just to see what is the D drive information in my machine. Just close up the here. Used. I'm storing into one variable. Yes, I'm storing into one variable. I'm converting into GBs. MBs are GBs. That's all. That's all. It is a used percentage of D drive in my machine. How simple? How much lines of code is there? How much lines of code is there? Just matter of 2 to 3 lines of code. So learning these seven concepts will not give you idea. Learning the seven concepts. So same thing you can automate, sir. Now even see how I simple write a small automation script. Finding all directories and spaces information. Just how I'm going to write the code. Just close labs here. There is a one module is there. String module. I'm taking string dot ASCII lowercase is there. Lowercase one second. I'm not providing any single character. Automatically, how this will work? Say, let us LT for x in. Now I'm using one loop. Huh. X plus x equal to x plus colon. I'm writing a condition if os dot pos dot exist x x int x directory is available on my machine. That's now save it. Very simple code I'm writing. I mean, maybe you are completely new, you may not understand this one, but closely observe this one. I'm not providing any single character, but how the output is giving? Some error we are getting. Exist line number 7. Okay, module you are using, but you are not defined. OS I'm using, no? That name it is asking. It is printing CD. Okay, I want to take only one letters. Capital letters only I want to take it, not small case and uppercase. You know what is a line number 3 meaning? In my machine, C drive and D drive only available. You know what is the meaning of string dot ASCII lowercase? Everything it will print on the screen A to Z. See, automatically it is printing the drive information. And one more thing I will do here. Yes, with simple script, just I'm going. I don't know what are the drives are available in my machine, but without knowing that one, I'm trying to run. Just close the object. Schedule dot disk usage like D equals to this D drive or X drive, we don't know, that will come from the X variable. I'm printing print drive name is print drive size is. What is the drive size concept? Which one is providing the drive size? Here only everything is available total. Here only available. That is a D dot size only, na total. Something is there. How to capture the required things? That things we have to learn in the course. And maybe if I explaining in this way, seems to be like a Chinese movie to you. Seems to be like a Chinese movie to you. But the reality is, when we practice, when we enter into the training, yes, drive size and used drive used size drive, each size, total. Okay, drive name. It is a happy one. Drive total size. Total after used and free. I'm printing some design on the screen. Just to believe me, whatever I am explaining on the screen, we will learn pin to pin upcoming day. See how beautiful it is printing on the screen. C drive information, total drive information, and same thing inside of the used space. Is it really correct or not? Let's check this one. If you go to the PC and write, otherwise go to the C machine. Yes, here only available everything. Here only available. 169 total. Yes, here also 169 is there. Total 237, 237. This is a minus these two, it is a this value. 88.6, yes. Total 115. User space. Tomorrow, if you add one more drive, automatically it will give that drive information on the screen. No need to do any manual activity. Just to run this script. Just see, observe this one. This is the same line only, no, nothing else here. Just a matter of 6 lines. Here the concept is which modules are required for our technology. That thing we have to learn in the course. So even if you take the, I will do the automation. For example, generally here we have a 14 data types is there. This will decide in our IT career in the Python and these 14 data types. For example, yes, 14 data types are there, 13 functions are there. I written somewhere, yes. This component is important. 14 data types, 13 functions, which will decide the our IT career. See how I am going to display this information. For example, A equals to one number you are storing. You are storing one number. See how I am going to print this one with the serial number. How I am going to print this one. Like Z for Z in dir of n. If Z starts with underscore underscore is false. Yes. Now see this one. Yes. See this one. Now how I am going to run this one. Just how we are entering into the logics. If you are providing data type, see in the integer, these are the important components. Tomorrow, if you write a string here, string, for example, string means like a characters. Just run the script again. It is giving to you almost 60 or 47 modules information it is displaying on the screen. Simple thing. I am writing only simple word. Based on the simple word, everything is coming up. And we will discuss. If we don't know even single element in that component, but how to learn one by one. How to learn one by one. We don't know. I mean, for example, if you want to know about the split, how to use it, where we have to take the help document, how to take the help document. Yes, these are the pending question even in our mind. Sir, everything is available here only. Everything is available here only. For example, the same result you will get dir of string. See, same thing you will get import string. Otherwise, a equals to naga dir of a dir of a. See, same thing. Get fill. Everything is there. Even if you want to find out this one, how to take the help document. For that, yes, help of a dot string or a dot. What is that one? Lower. Yes, this one. See, this is a one chart. How to take the help document. So we don't know how to use it. We know Windows operating system. That's all. But we don't know how to operate that one, how to use it. That components we are not sure. Then how to start the journey? Sir, I am not insisting to you. This is the fact here. This is a fact here. So how to start the components? So how to learn the technology? So if I know everything, if I move advanced level, you can't get even single element here. So like how to start the journey from the scratch? Anyhow, after 70 hours of their journey, maybe after 25 hours, you will get the perfection. How to you will after 25 hours, I can say when we start from first hour number one to hour 25, in this journey, what is Python you will understand. Then after I will start these 25 plus modules, there you will get the perfection how to do the automation. You know the automation style, how we are going to do in our upcoming sessions. For example, just practically I'm explaining. Don't worry about the modules, whatever I am using in the course. Just hold on. Wait. Okay, there is no browser. 1 second. For example, okay, go to the otherwise AWS you can go it. AWS we are mostly familiar to this technology. So many people. So here I have a one machine is there, one or two machine. I think one maybe it is in running state. What is iterable object? That is also important here. Except the first four data types, remaining all are iterable objects only. So iterable object, the word is important. Iterable object is the famous word is the list. List is there. How to use the list? For example, see, list components are important. X equal to list. These list concepts are important. A equals to something. Now, what is the type of heap? Yes, it is a list. List. What is a list component? These are the list components. 11 are there, sir. If you good at this 11, see, even if you write in this way, if you good at this 11, we can play with the, I think 11. Ah, yes, these 11. If you, what is the append? How to, pin to pin, we have to move, sir, one by one. Okay, not a single example. One by one, if you learn here, it's a tuple. If you go to the tuple, see, this is a tuple related one. Four or five, two, only two. If you go to the dict, if you go to the dict, see, if you go to the dict, that's a, what is a dict related one? If you go to the set, uh, that's a, these are the set related one. Set in 10th class mathematics is there. Sets concepts. In generally 10 plus in 10th standard we have a sets concept is there. So we have to learn one by one what it is, how to use it. For example, what is a pop? How to use it? The pop. The any output, any you are using anything in any area here, the output of any one of the data type only. Otherwise, from the classes. That's all. Nothing else here. Even if you want to find out one file information detail, for example, you are asking one file input from the user, what is that file statistics? Yes, for example, you are asking, hey user, file name, enter file name. So you are asking, hey user, hi user, please enter the file name. User will enter the file name. Then after I am finding, yes, os.path dot, really this path is available. The user provided file name is available. Uh, then available print os.start. Os.start. Start. Simple. See, every details you will get on the screen, sir. How I am going to run this script? I'm planning to learn. Just observe here in the directory, one of the folder I will select, one of the file otherwise. For example, simple one, source.txt. I want to find out source.txt file. See, I'm going to enter the input as D directory, source.txt. See, every details it is printing on the screen or not. So it is created bytes, 12 bytes. Is it right? Is it right? Correct. 12 bytes is correct one. 12 bytes is the correct one. It is saying that 12 bytes. Yes, it is 12 bytes. And what is other details? When it is created, creation time, something is giving. But is it possible to understand that end user? This is a creation time. See, something is there, creation time it is printing. But what is the today's date? For example, time dot time. This is a today's time. Okay, 1 second. Everything here, this is a today's time. If you give this time, if anyone asks you what is today time, if you give me this type of answer, is it possible to understand? No. Again, some more another component is there. See, I will find out that creation time, just a matter of some value. See, it is created February 15th. Is it right? Is it right? February 15th it was created. Ah, right. Absolutely. Including time. 10:53. Night, sir. PM. 10:53. Yes, everything is there. Everything is there. So not only that one, if you want to delete the files older than 10 days, create the files or anything. If you single shot, if you want to create 100 files, if you in a single shot, if you want to create a 10 directories, 200 directories, it's just a matter of logic only, sir. Just a matter of a logic only. If you want to create 100 directories in a single shot, is it possible? No doubt. Simply it is possible. See, I will show you that I have an example on the screen. In a single shot, I want to create 100 directories. Single shot. I'm asking int directory name. Otherwise, input of input of enter the number of directories. How many directories you want? The directories, for example, user is providing 100 directories. I want to create it. Just one of the data type I'm using range. I think range not added here. I think so. One of the beautiful component is range. To understand the range, we need 3 days, sir. To understand the range, we need 3 days time. So how many want you want to create it? For example, I want to create 100 directories. So I am planning to create everything. I will create one folder name. Just try to understand. I will take your queries. First, you need to understand depth of the course. First, you need to understand depth of the course. Someone is speaking. The see sir, how I'm going to doing this activity. Just close lab here. In D directory, XYZ folder I am selecting. In this directory, I want to create 100 subfolders. 100 subfolders I want to create it. See, folder name like Naga. Then after uh, folder 1, Naga 1, Naga 2, Naga 3, Naga 4, like that I want to create it. See, mkdir like directory name. That's I'm just writing this code. Before entering into this one, observe this XYZ folder. There is no folders in this location. But if I'm providing like 10 folders, see, some error we are getting, sir. str position, I think I typed only st, something, conversion. As of now, this folder is empty. I'm trying to providing 10. See how beauty this is. It has created 10 directories. Not only creation directory, even how to create the CSV, JSON, HTML file concepts. See, this is a just come to the course concepts. So, what are the keywords? Here, nothing to buy hearts are everything here only there. But what is a bad thing? We don't know how to learn how to see the available things in the Python. For example, what are the keywords? See, everything is printing on the screen only. No need to learn anything here. Everything on the screen it is displaying. This is a matter of 32 keywords. Your complete journey 32 keywords only. Your complete Python program is 32 keywords only. Even what are the modules are available. Module is nothing but ready-made code is available. Someone already written. Someone already written this code. So for example, I'm going to help prompt. Help of modules. Something no modules are 1 second. Modules. See, automatically it is listed by default on the screen. Previously 500 plus is there, by default now 200 modules are there. Even if you don't know, if you one module is not existing in your machine, yes, we have a pip utility is there, and by the pip utility you can download whatever the external module. For example, just I started the like this is a one machine is there, sir, in AWS. How I'm going to stop this machine by the Python? See how I'm going to stop this that machine by the Python. See, there is a simple thing is that both three modules, sir. Like session dot. You don't worry about this one, sir. This is my duty. I will explain to you. One second. What is that one? Session dot session. See, my plan is I want to stop that machine. That I want to stop that machine. Already I have one user in my machine, that is a root. How I'm going to start the yes dot, what is that one related to EC2, no? AWS terminology. Don't worry, that is AWS terminology is different. Resource, like you can take service name. This is important one, EC2, and the region name is, give me one second. What is the region? North Virginia. US East one, okay. US East one. Now, see, one machine is already running, no? One machine is already running in my account, right? See, no need to buy hard anything. For everything, it will print out, sir. Everything it will print out on the screen. For example, I don't know how to use it. The script will going to, yes, these are the lot of information it is printing on the screen. Something is there, instance related one, starting with I. Instances is there here. This is a one important one. And one more thing also there, capital I also there. Somewhere we have instances. Yes, so many approaches are there. There is no single way to work with this one, sir. See, for example, uh, instance related one is there. VPC peering connection is there. Those who are already knows AWS technology, these are the common components. These are the common components. And metadata, route tables, how to create subnets creation, right? And something instances is there. And I think one more instance capital I also there. Let me try here directly otherwise. Capital I, this is a one, sir. Capital I, this is a one. Capital I, this is a one. I do one thing. See how I'm going to do the automation. ID equals to input, enter the ID of the AWS EC2 instance. User will enter generally the ID number. For example, inst equals to int, otherwise in instance equals to EC2 dot instances ID equals to ID. Otherwise, you can take any number. number. See, now I'm going to stop this instance. That is my plan, sir. I want to stop this instance. Instance dot stop, or you can start it. Just a matter of, even this one also not required. ID numbers. Where it is ID number, this is a one ID number is there. See what will happen if I provide this one. Okay, I'm pasting. Now presently the instance is available in running state. Instance is running state. Now closely observe here. It is stopping state or not? Automatically, no? It's a matter of single region, single instance. For example, if you want to stop it, if you want to start it, just again, you can write a if condition, like multiple if condition. If you write there, automatically it will start. Again, I'm trying to start it. Again, I'm going to start this machine. Now it is stopped stage. Now, see, shortly it is going to come to the start state. Still, it is stopping only. It is even not stopped. Wait. Previously we stopped though. Now that is now still it is in pending. This app first action is not yet completed. Wait. So what if it is stopped? I can bring back to start stage. Not only one machine, automation every day. Your business hours, like morning 9 a.m. You want to start some instances, stop that some instances by the scheduling time hours. See, actually, we before start put stage we started that one. Maybe that is the issue, but anyhow, it will come to shortly. It is in the stopped stage only. Wait some time. Otherwise, I will issue Stop again. Again, I will stop this one. Already one more operation is going on. That's why it is throwing an error, sir. Yes, that's why it is throwing an error. Happy. When it is going to the stopped stage only after completion. That's why waiters are there here. You know how we are entering, how we are going to discuss this Boto 3 module, especially for cloud technology people. There are some components are there, like session, first one, client resource, then after waiters to overcome the previous problem, paginators, paginators, metadata. Yes, so total 5 to 6 components we are going to discuss in this area. Detail about the Boto 3 module. See, if you go to this course content, your Python components are there, core and advanced, and automation also there. Even operators, see what is a break, continue, exit, return keyword. Functions time we will use this return. And then after the beautiful concept here, functions are here. Total 5 types of functions are there. See, I'm writing only one word, but again in the functions we have this much of subcomponents are there. Yeah, yes, classes concept, advanced Python. Yes. Then after our main concept, even regular expression concept. This is one of the biggest course in our training set. I mean, regular expression to understand. I think any one of you from my previous training from the PowerShell, they know how we will discuss the what is this regular expressions. Yes, any one of you there regular expressions. For try to, I will give one example, sir. Mm. For example, this is a one log file I have on the screen, sir. This is a one mm, like Nagios monitoring tool provided log file. So in this log file, I want to find out something. I want to find out one mail ID which is how many times which is repeated. That is a target. One log file information I want to find out. Generally, normal log file created their information. Nothing else in this document. Close lecture here. Nothing else in this document. Just a matter of who is connected and the IP addresses and login information only we have on the screen. Now my target is with the Python, I want to automate this one, sir. How to automate? So like I want to find out one IP address is how many times it is repeated. That is a target. So for that, yes, so many approaches are there. This is a one monitoring log file, monitoring tool, anything. Here, I think this is a Nagios related log file, sir. How I am going to automate this one? Just close labs here. Just go to Python. Here, again, the matter with modules only. There is no other new things, sir. Here also, again, that is possible with the modules only. Just wait. Yes, sir. Already, its link is loaded inside of the already uploaded in the group. I'm from morning onwards. I'm repeating that link. If you are missing, just go through that one, sir. See, just one time real time example we will see. How to what we will call like repeated one more IP addresses. For example, so many somewhere we have IP addresses are there. I want to find out that IP address detail. Even sir, it's lot of things are there. Even if I want to create a what we will call generally OTP. I want to create one OTP. See how I'm going to create the OTP in simple word. OTP, just a matter of random module. See, I'm going to create. How we can take it random dot rand int 1 to 10. See, for just to see how I'm going to create the OTP. Generally, this is a common key thing. Like for X in range of 1, 5. 4 digit random OTP. I'm going to print it. Print one time, 2, 3, 4, and end equals to. That's now see how it is going to generate. Some numbers it is generating. Even I do one thing, not like that one. And 1 second. Last line I want to move. Okay, I mean, what we will call this is like a random numbers it is creating. I mean, if you want to create four or three, whatever that one. See, if I take only this line number, last line number, if you copy on the screen, just a matter of import random, copy this line, okay, automatically it is generating the 4-digit what is that? OTP on the screen. OTP on the screen. See, even if I continuously run this line, if I continuously run this line, see this one? Yes, space indentation, one of the biggest things, sir. There is no open curly braces, closed curly braces. See, it is going to creating the here also it will work, sir. Just a matter of we are missing one line, nothing else here. That is the reason it is not working. Now see, every 4 digit, see 4 or 20, whatever that number, it is repeating or not. OTP set is generating 20 digits or 12 digits of OTP set is generating. Even if you give me just some time, I will give you how to read this mm, log file. This is a log file. What is the name? File name is log name. Just to give me some time. On desktop, something is available with name as log file. Okay. Okay, here we need to understand one module OS and another one is we need to import one more module collections. From the collection, we have to import counter method. C is a capital, please remember. And I'm going to read that file content wherever the document is there. The file path I want to get it. File path. How to get the file path? Generally, you can go with CD desktop. This is a file path. Here separator, the path separator windows is a backslash log file.txt. Am I right? The file name. 1 second, I will confirm it. File name, log file. Log file.txt. Okay, I want to read it with some name. Any name you can take it. F dot read all lines into all lines. So here one component will give you more clarity about the regular expressions, RE. So my pattern is I want to searching for one IP address. Those who are attended a regular expression concept of the PowerShell, they can easily understand these words, sir. What is a pattern symbols? This one. Yes, any one of you there, sir? Please confirm it. Any one of you my previous training, you know this slash D concept? Please confirm it. Any one of you there? Any one of you there? Yes. Any one of you there, sir? Okay, I'm just writing my total test is all lines. All lines. No one is there about my previous training. Yes.
No, sir.
Yes. Have you observed these points are in that one slash D concept, slash D and other things? Have you observed this one? Regular expressions is there in the PowerShell or in especially PowerShell only in the Python not yet started. Yes, sir. See what it is saying that one counter from collection something I think connections. What is the issue, sir? Exactly from collection. 1 second, collection only. I think so. Collection import counter. 1 second. Now see how what is the error? First read that error. Files collection module is one cannot import counter. Okay, I do one thing. No problem. Import at least import count collection. 1 second. Something is getting an error. Find all return the pattern and flags. Your Total lines are loaded into one variable with open all lines. All lines f into read. Correct. Fine. And we are going to say with regular expression find all lines and IP list. Okay, let's take the total instead of small name you can take it. Okay, first you have to check file name, log name. And I do one thing, just even here also debugging is there. Even no need to worry about the how to do troubleshoot this one. Here's the biggest problem is all lines. All lines. Really, is it reading our file content? 81 lines are there. Good. 81 lines it is printing log file. Okay. Our regular expression also there here. Perfectly it is available. Then what is the problem? Re dot find all. Our total data all lines and pattern. Re not defined. Now, 1 second, sir. This module is not defined. Mm, So something 1 second find all return file pattern flags find all string. No, I think this is a one mistake, sir. Reverse order I am maybe providing all lines. Maybe that is the only one issue. I think so. Not at all, sir. This is not my required output. I want to find out how many times one component is repeated. Find all, otherwise result equals to re dot find all pattern comma all lines print r. This is a one, sir. Now see beauty. These are the IP addresses. Not only these ones are. Even I will do some more magic. Import collections. See, for x in collections dot counter. What is that result? R dot items. Items. See how I'm going to see the do the magic. Print of x comma y. Definitely we will see these IPs repeated 2 times. This IP is repeated 2 times. This IP is repeated 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times. See how simple it is. How simple it is. Okay, very. If we take one topic, sir, I can discuss upon that one topic 4 to 5 hours. That is a simple thing. Simple thing. Yes. But one thing after completion of this course, sir, you will the I can say a automation engineer in your team. That is my assurance. But regular participation is important. Attending first 2 to 3 sessions, then after, okay, I will follow by the recording. This is not at all good approach. And sir, like that, that's why I'm saying that one. Even if I take one component, I can discuss 4 to 5 hours. Like here on this document, we have a 25 plus modules are there. So actually, this is a last level. So deep drive, sir, deep drive on the modules. Only 40 to 45 days we will discuss on these modules only especially Boto 3 related one. So even Azure or DevOps anywhere. Just to believe me, and you will whatever you are investing here into 10 times the types of knowledge I will provide to you. Yes, like I'm providing training from last 4 years, not like this one. Just believe me, I think you came here by the someone reference. Already they're satisfied. That's why they are giving to you. I mean, provided my details to you attend for this live training. And then after, yes, this is important point, sir. I'm going to take hardly 35, 30, this much of people. And why? Because it is interactive training, sir. So discussion definitely involved here. One point, the discussion is involved here. Yes, if you are registered, it's a one-time payment, 3,000. You can pay to this. I mean, you can use the QR code, or else use this is a Google Pay phone pay number. Please remember some few points here. After the payment, share the screenshot to this number only, sir. Then after I will add your number to the group. Then I will add your number to the group. Our regular sessions will start from coming Saturday. Nothing but 11th onwards, our regular session. That is a 11th. Today is a 5th now. So 11th onwards, we have our regular sessions. Saturday 10 to 1 and Sunday 10 to 1. And after live session, I will give to you recording session. Along with every weekend, you will get the assignment. Every weekend, you will get the assignment.